Wow, this room is really empty. You know what? I don't think we have a kitchen. This needs a renovation. Oh, yes, it does.
Hi, welcome to Lively Dolls, where dolls are small and our hearts are big. Today, we will be making a doll kitchen using
We'll start by taking our handy glue stick, which is Elmer's glue, and we're going to glue a combination of blue and white paper onto the wall of our doll room so that we can make a beautiful kitchen look. So we finished putting on all the paper, and I don't like what's happening here with all the ripples from bending the box, but it'll have to do. I'm most proud of this wall, which is the blue accent wall, since the others are white. Now we'll continue with our room. Now I cut off the top little flaps, these bits from our cardboard box, because it made the room look artificial, and we want it to look as realistic as possible. Now, over here, we're preparing our hot glue gun, and we are going to start to create the stools. We're using a bottle cap and popsicle sticks to glue together and make a seat for the dolls. Alright, so our glue gun is heated up, and I'm going to glue our popsicle sticks together now. You may be wondering why they're so long, but we'll cut them down to size afterwards. So I take my glue gun, take one popsicle stick, being very careful that my fingers aren't in the way of the gun. And now I squeeze, not too much, and drag the hot glue down the stick. Oops, it's dripping a little. Stopping before I reach my finger. Now I'll put the glue gun back and stick two sticks together. I'm going to push and make sure they're sitting straight. Don't worry about the round parts on the top lining up, because you won't be needing those. It's cooling down, so now I'm able to touch the hot glue and stick it into place. Okay, now I'll repeat and connect all these sticks together. I've got my 4 popsicle sticks all glued together, and now I'll take my scissors. They're larger than the ones before because we're going to need extra strong ones to cut these. Just going to cut off the round parts. There we go. Now I've got one straight edge, and do this to the other side too. By the way, guys, I wanted to go for a modern look for this kitchen, so yes. Now that we've got our 2 straight sides, I will be cutting this little popsicle board all the way down the middle. My popsicle board is exactly 10 centimeters long, so I made a 5 centimeter mark. Now I'm going to cut right down the line I drew. So both of this part of our seats are done. Now we'll take our 2 bottle caps and hot glue them to our seat. I'm hot gluing the bottle caps to the side that looks the worst, which has like the most hot glue bubbles and everything, so that the better side can be seen showing upwards. So I'll just put a little dot of hot glue on the top of our bottle cap and stick it onto the middle. I repeat for the next side. And your bottle caps have to have the inside face up for this to work. As those dry, I'm going to take 4 more popsicle sticks per seat so that's 8 in total. We're going to trim off the ends of each one. Only cut off one side of each popsicle stick. Now repeat this for each stick. Now I'm going to take my 4 popsicles with the ends cut off and hot glue the rounded side on the inside of the bottle cap. Make sure it's at the very edge. You don't want it in the center of your bottle cap so that it can stick out and help to balance the stool. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue right here. And see that there? And careful to make sure it's the rounded side. I'll stick it in. And add a little bit more to reinforce the strength so that it won't come out. Our bottle cap's starting, or our popsicle stick's starting to fall. So I'm going to push this up so it doesn't topple over and hold it while it dries. When it dries, repeat this step for each stool. 2 stools done, and I managed to make them the same height. See? And this is what it looks like when we place our doll on it compared to the room. I think they're the perfect height. And now we need a table. For our table, I've cut out 2 12 by 20 centimeter rectangles and 4 12 by 14 centimeter rectangles. And what I'm going to do is glue these 2 together. I'm not sure why, but I just feel better having the cardboard on the inside, that cardboardy part. And then 2 of these go together, glued together like that, and the other 2 together. So I'm going to use a glue stick for this, not the hot glue, and then we'll continue from there. So I finished putting the paper on all of our 3 rectangles, 2 of the same size. On the 2 smaller ones, I made sure they both on both sides were covered, but on the bigger one, I left the other side uncovered because we won't be seeing it. It'll just be underneath. So now it's time for us to hot glue them all together. I'm going to lay this flat on here, grab my hot glue gun, and carefully squeeze a line all the way across. There we go. Now, before the hot glue dries, which it dries very fast, I have to take this piece here and stick it down onto this. But I need to make sure it stays straight. I'll repeat for the other side. Now, stick this piece on, straight into the hot glue. Our table is complete. In the next part, we plan on making a floor, adding cabinets, a fridge, and a stove, and probably some decorations to fill up that back wall. And that wraps up this first part of our doll kitchen. Our craft is complete and our time has been sweet. But now that we're done, come back for more fun. See ya!